Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to restore your backup for your domain or your website in Hostinger. First of all guys, what I need you to do is open your browser and then go to the URL section and open Hostinger. So here it is. And as you can see, Hostinger basically, guys, is a platform that gives you most of the service that you can get on the web domain, like hostings, VPS, email, and domain names. Here you can see all the prices of the hosting. So if I click on here, web hosting, you will notice here all the plans that they can give you from single web, premium web, and the business web. If you were a new buy, you can just go ahead and start with the single web hosting. If you are going to go really hard on it, you can just choose the business web hosting, which gives you a bunch of options that are incredibly good. Now when you finish with that, you can get from here, of course, domain names, .com, .online. They give you a bunch of options, so you can choose whatever you'd like, and some email services and some VPS services, as you can see here. Now let's see how we can actually restore our backup for the website. Now, what you have to do is log into your hosting account. That's how you can do it. And then go to hosting. Normally, if you have a hosting connected with your website, which is the domain name, it will open a page in front of you. So basically what you have to do is click on export. That's the first thing. So exporting the data will help you to keep the data in your PC. Well, how to restore it? The data that you have already exported it. Later on, for example, you wanted to upload it again. Next to the export button, you will find, of course, the restore or the import button. So all you need to do is click on import button, select the file that you want to import it or the database that you want to import it, and just after that your website will be ready to go. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.